Hey, Mi Watch launched in November 2019. It's Mi very first smartwatch running on Google Wear OS. Yup, Apple clone, some say. Very alike too. With crisp spec, solid build, and running on Android, I quite like it. No review here as a relaunch for some time, plenty of reviews on YouTube. The focus here is on the step-by-step configurations, as it is meant for China market only, hence requires special steps and configurations compared to its other Wear OS counterpart. We need to install two apps on our mobile phone to pair with this Mi Watch. First, Wear OS China. Second, Xiaomi Wear. Wear OS China is not available on Google Play. We have to download it from internet. Let's Google it. There are plenty of sites provide the download, but most of the time I get it from APK Mirror. Get the latest edition. Download it. A warning sign prompted out to get a confirmation, as the installation APK file is not from Google Play. Done with the download. Let's proceed to install it. Do not set up just yet. Now install Xiaomi Wear from Google Play. After Xiaomi Wear install, launch it. Create a new ID if you don't have one, or log in with your existing Mi account. As this Mi Watch is just meant for China, any other country outside China will not able to see it. Let's try it out for you. Some random information for quick setup now. Add device, Mi Watch appears here. Pretty misleading. App is seeking access permission on mobile phone. You see, the watch image here no longer represented correctly, and you will not able to detect or pair or see your Mi Watch looping. Let's go back to settings. Change the region to China. Once region change, configuration get reset. We add device again. Under China region now, we see more options, more watches available, including Mi Watch. Scanning the nearby devices. Yes, found it. At this point, it will automatically launch the pre-installed Wear OS app to continue. Granting series of permission required like contacts, manage phone calls, phone call logs, SMS messages, access to calendar, notification on Mi Watch. Access to device location. Alright, that's it. Very successfully, Mi Watch is connected to Xiaomi Wear. Series of watch faces available. Just change it to see if that works. Okay, mentioned earlier that this is meant for China market. There are no standard Wear OS app bundle. It won't work, as no Google services available there. Please take note. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.